Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Mission, Kansas. This west wall here is going to get 3 King Piers. Notice one thing that we do that nobody else does, and I don't know why they don't do it. Because if you do not do this step, jackhammering a hole on a concrete floor without a saw cut, you're going to destroy the floor. So we come in here and we saw cut all the way through the floor. We'll jackhammer that out, expose the footing, dig 13 inches below the footing, horizontally bore that out, set a steel plate, King Pier, hydraulic jacks, laser levels, raise the footing. Once that's done, we shim the King Pier, pull the jacks out, and encase the hole all the way up to the top of the floor. What you have around your little 2 foot wide, 8 inch thick footings with 2 runs of rebar in it is 4 feet wide, 6 foot in length, and about 21 inches of high strength concrete encased around that little footing in every location where the King Pier is located. So we've got 3 on this floor right here under the footing. On the east wall, we've got 3. This south wall right here, we're going to straighten back to vertically level. It gets our 4-step wall straightening process, which is straightening the wall, waterproofing the wall, piering the footing, fixing the cracks, and then coming in with a steel 4-inch H-beam. That's it. King Piers, Mission, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.